ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तम् समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, निवृत्ती उदारा सोपान देवा, मुक्ताबाई नमो, त्रिभुवन पावनी, आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची. Chapter 4th. So many yajnas we are seeing. Today we are going to see one more yajna explained by Bhagwan. So yajnas with fire, proper priest, proper material is not possible. But whatever Bhagwan has explained here, these 12 yajnas, they are very much possible. So let us see them. O अपरे नियताहाराः प्राणान् प्राणेषु जुह्वति सर्वेऽप्येते यज्ञविदः यज्ञक्षपितकल्मषाः अपरे नियताहाराः प्राणान् प्राणेषु जुह्वति सर्वेऽप्येते यज्ञविदः यज्ञक्षपितकल्मषाः अपरे नियताहाराः प्राणान् प्राणेषु जुह्वति सर्वेऽप्येते यज्ञविदः यज्ञक्षपितकल्मषाः अपरे नियत आहाराः प्राणान् प्राणेषु जुह्वति सर्वे अपि ये ते यज्ञविदः यज्ञक्षपित कल्मषाः. Beautiful shloka. Apare, few other people. Niyata aharaha, very regulate intake they will have. Not heavy feasts or not heavily they will eat. And what they will do? Pranan praneshu juhvati. Through breath, they will control breath. So pranas, they are going to control with pranas. Ete sarve, all these people are yajna vidaha. They are the knower of all these yajnas. And what do they and how they are? Yajna kshapita kalmashaha. They are they have washed out all the sin, all the papam with the help of these yajnas. So few people they have full control over their breath and they eat very regulated food, restricted food, not everything, every time, anywhere. And this all people are, including all 12 yajnas, they are yajna vida, knower of all these yajna. Knower of all these yajna means what to do, how to do, when to do. And what they have done with that, kalmashaha, all sins are kshapita, washed out. Now let us see about them. एक वज्रयोग क्रमे सर्वाहार संयमे प्राणी प्राणु संभ्रमे हवन करीती एक वज्रयोग क्रमे सर्वाहार संयमे प्राणी प्राणु संभ्रमे हवन करीती. So Vajra ek means few people. Few people, they sit in Vajrasan. The legs are folded. Vajrasan. Yoga Krame. So they start with Vajrasan. Sarvahara Sanyame. They control, they regulate their all kind of foods. In the morning, this we should eat. In the night, this we should not eat. Everything they know. Prani pranu samrame havan kariti, and they sacrifice their vital air, vital breath into breath. Means with the help of breath only, they do all these controlling things. They control their mind, they control their everything. ऐसे मोक्ष काम सकळ समस्त हे यजन शिळ जिही यज्ञद्वारा मनोमळ क्षाळन केले ऐसे मोक्ष काम सकळ समस्त हे यजन शिळ जिही यज्ञद्वारा मनोमळ क्षाळन केले. All these people, those who are doing these yajnas, they are mokshakam sakal. They are the seeker of liberation. Samasta he yajana shir. All those who from their bottom of heart like to do all these yajnas, such people, such seekers are nothing but the seeker of liberation. What do they do? Jihi yajna dwara manomala kshalan kele. Jihi, by whom? Yajna dwara, with the help of this yajnas, manomala kshalan kele. They have washed out their all the impurities of their mind. So there is two impurities in all of us. One is the flickering mind. It's not stable. And anavikshepa it is called in Sanskrit. And mala, that we are inclined towards doing papa. So these wrong things we are inclined towards. So all these things are washed out by doing all these yajnas. जया अविद्या जात जाळिता जे उरले निज स्वभावता जेथ अग्नी आणि होता उरेचिना जया अविद्या जात जाळिता जे उरले निज स्वभावता जेथ अग्नी आणि होता उरेचिना जया by such people avidya जात जाळिता they have burned ignorance. So once ignorance is gone, then what remains at the end? Nija swabhavata je urale, one's own swarupa, nature remains. So ignorance goes away, then there is prakasha swarupa, chit swarupa, atma, that remains. And once you attain that state, agni ani hota urechina. There is Agni, fire separate. One who is doing sacrifice, that person is separate. No, there is no such distinction. There is no such difference between fire and sacrificer. They are one. जेथ यजितयाचा कामू पुरे यज्ञीचे विधान सरे मागुते जेथोणी ओसरे क्रिया जात जेथ यजितयाचा कामू पुरे यज्ञीचे विधान सरे मागुते जेथोनी ओसरे क्रियाजात. Jeth, when you attain that state, in that state of consciousness, where you and consciousness they are not different, in that state, yajitayacha kamu pure, all the desires are fulfilled. One who is doing sacrifice. Yadniche vidhan sare, there is no more injunctions on you should perform yajna. No more, because you are Brahma now. Magute jetho niosare kriyajata, and all the actions they start walking in backward direction. Kriyajata jetho niosare, then actions are no more applicable for you, because you are not doer now. You are the illuminator of that doer. विचार जेथन रिगे हेतु जेथन निगे जे द्वैत दोष संगे सिंपे चिना विचार जेथन रिगे हेतु जेथन निगे जे द्वैत दोष संगे सिंपे चिना. In that state of consciousness, vicharana rige, thought doesn't enter there. Hetu jetana nige, logic doesn't work there in that state. We need logic to reach that state. Once you go in that state, once you understand there is only one consciousness, there is nothing else, non-dual reality, then tarka doesn't work there. Je dvaita dosha sange simpe china, and that state of consciousness or consciousness is not, you know, contaminated by the vicinity or the association of duality. Means non-dual reality is not contaminated by this duality. Dvaita dosha sange simpe china doesn't come in contact. Then beautiful shloka. After doing yajna, whatever remains to enjoy that is amrutam. Beautiful shloka. Yajna shishtamruta bhujah yanti brahma sanatanam nayam lokostya yajnasya कुतोऽन्यः कुरु सत्तम. यज्ञशिष्टामृतभुजः यान्ति ब्रह्म सनातनम् नायं लोकोऽस्त्ययज्ञस्य कुतोऽन्यः कुरु सत्तम. यज्ञ शिष्ट अमृतः भुजः यान्ति ब्रह्म सनातनम् नायं लोकः अस्ति अयज्ञस्य कुतः अन्यः कुरु सत्तमः. कुरु सत्तम, कुरु सत्तम, ओ अर्जुना. यज्ञ शिष्ट अमृतः, after doing yajna, whatever remains. So after doing jnana yajna, what remains? Our swarupa. Bhujah. So those who enjoy that swarupa sthiti. Sanatanam Brahma yanti. So once you do jnana yajna, after that you will know Brahma. And one who enjoys that, that person will come to eternal truth. Ajnasya ayam lokah na asti. There is no this world for a person. Ajnano ayajna. One who is not doing even one single sacrifice. Yajna. 12 are enumerated here. Not even one he does. That person won't be happy in this world. Ayam lokahanas. This world is not for him. He won't be happy here. Kutaha anyaha. What to talk about? Other worlds. Means if you are happy in this world, then only you will be happy after this world. And how you will be happy in this world? When you do yajna, you will be happy. ऐसे अनादि सिद्ध चोखट जे ज्ञान यज्ञावशिष्ट ते सेविती ब्रह्मनिष्ठ ब्रह्माहमंत्रे. ऐसे अनादि सिद्ध चोखट जे ज्ञान यज्ञावशिष्ट ते सेविती ब्रह्मनिष्ठ ब्रह्माहमंत्रे. ऐसे अनादि सिद्ध चोखट is talking about that consciousness or the state of consciousness. Anadi Siddha, it is eternally already established. Chokhat, pure. Je Jnana Yajna Vashishtha, that consciousness is the end result of Jnana Yajna. Means once you perform Jnana Yajna, you will understand about that consciousness. And once you understand how do people enjoy that, ब्रह्माहम मंत्रे ते सेविति ब्रह्मनिष्ठ. ब्रह्मनिष्ठ, ब्रह्मणि निष्ठा यस्य सः ब्रह्मनिष्ठः. So people who are rooted in Brahma, such people, Brahma aham mantre seviti. I am Brahma, I am infinite, I am infinite. In this way, they enjoy this Atma Swarupa or Brahma Swarupa, which is the Avashishta end result of Yajna. ऐसे शेषामृते धाले की अमर्त्य भावा आले म्हणोनी ब्रह्मते जहाले अनायासे. ऐसे शेषामृत धाले की अमर्त्य भावा आले म्हणोनी ब्रह्मते जाहले अनायासे. Thus means having understood one's own real nature, which is the end result of Jnana Yajna. Having understood that, they became very content, very satiated, very satisfied. Sheshamrute dhale. Shesha, left out, residual. Left out Atma Tattva. Having enjoyed that, they became very happy, content. Ki amartya bhava ale, or as though they achieved immortality. Means they understood they are immortal. Manoni Brahma Tejahale Anayase, without any effort. Effortlessly they became Brahma. They became Brahma means they understood I am Brahma. They understood I am Brahma. येरा विरक्ती माळ न घालीची जया संयमाग्नीची सेवा न घडेची. जे योगयागो न करीतीची जन्मले साते. येरा विरक्ती माळ न घालीची जया संयमाग्नीची सेवा न घडेची. जे योगयागो न करीतीची जन्मले साते. Janmali Sate, as you are born on this earth, as you have arrived in this body, if you don't worship fire, Jaya Sanyamagni, Sanyamagni, Sanyam means controlling. So controlling yourself itself is a fire. Controlling yourself, that itself is a fire. Fire is not that you go and you worship with the fire. That is very gross idea of fire. This is subtle idea of fire, that Sanyam Agni, you control all your sense organ. You control your mind. If you don't do that, Sanyam Agni chi seva na ghadechi, you don't serve that controlling your sense organ and mind. Je yoga guna karitichi, and those who don't do any yajna, any yaga, nothing. Janmale sate, as you are born in this body, Virakti Malana Ghalechi, to such people, dispassion will never own. Dispassion will never put a garland on these people who doesn't control themselves, who doesn't do some sacrifice in their life. So that is terrible situation. And Naneshwar Maharaj gives wonderful hallmark. जया ऐहिक धड नाही तयाचे परत्र पुससी काई म्हणून सांगो का बाई पंडुकुम म्हणून सांगो का वाई पंडुकुमरा जया ऐहिक धड नाही तयाचे परत्र पुससी काई म्हणून सांगो का वाई पंडुकुमरा. हिअर इट इज वाई नॉट बाई. म्हणून सांगो का वाई पंडुकुमरा. So Naneshwar Maharaj says, जया ऐहिक धड नाही. Whose life in this world itself is not proper, suffering, struggling. तयाचे परत्र पुससी काही. What to talk about the life after death of such people. म्हणून सांगो का वाई पंडुकुमारा. Therefore, why I should talk all these things more if someone is not even doing controlling themselves, not doing small sacrifice in their life. Why should I talk it about more? Because they are not doing anything good in this life. Here, what will happen to them after this life? एवं बहुविधा यज्ञाः वितता ब्रह्मणो मुखे कर्मजान् विद्धितान् सर्वान् एवं ज्ञात्वा विमोक्ष्यसे. एवं बहुविधा यज्ञाः वितता ब्रह्मणो मुखे कर्मजान् विद्धितान् सर्वान् ज्ञात्वा सर एवं ज्ञात्वा विमोक्ष्यसे. एवं बहुविधाः यज्ञाः वितताः ब्रह्मणः मुखे कर्मजान् विद्धितान् सर्वान् एवं ज्ञात्वा विमोक्ष्यसे. Now the conclusion of this 12 yajnas topic. Evam, thus, bahuvidhaha yajnaha, different types of yajnas. Brahmanaha mukhe vitataha. Brahmanaha mukhe. Not from absolute Brahma, but from Brahma means one thing is Brahman. Brahma means Brahma, absolute reality, and Brahma means Vedas. So all these yajnas, they have come out from Brahmana, from Vedas. Tan sarvan karmajan vidhi. All yajnas are born out of karma. So you do karma and that yajna will be performed. Evam jnatva, having known this means karma is the key factor to do that yajna. If you know that, tvam vimokshase. Evam jnatva, you will be free from all these things. Once you know, you have to do this jnana yajna, you have to do karma in order to perform jnana yajna, and the result of that jnana yajna is you become free from everything. ऐसे बहुत परी अनेक जे सांगितले तुझ का याग ते विस्तारुनी वेची चांग म्हणितले वेदी चांग म्हणितले आहती. Sorry, there are printing mistakes. ऐसे बहुत परी अनेक जे सांगितले तुझ का याग ते वेदी चांग म्हणितले आहाती. ऐसे बहुत परी अनेक, like this 12 yajnas, so many yajnas are सांगितले तुझ. So many ways of sacrifices are being imparted to you, described to you. ते विस्तारो निवेदेची चांग म्हणितले हाती. And whatever I have explained, it's not, the miracle or the things came out of from my pocket. It is explained in Vedas. वेदेची चांग म्हणितले आहाती. परी तेणे विस्तारे काय करावे, हेची कर्म सिद्ध जाणावे. ये तुलेनी कर्मबंधू स्वभावे पावेल ना. परी तेने विस्तारे काय करावे, हेची कर्म सिद्ध जाणावे. ये तुलेनी कर्मबंधू स्वभावे पावेल ना. परी तेने विस्तारे काय करा. But what we have to do with the elaborated explanation of all these yajnas? You understand these 12 yajnas? Try to perform at least one and understand all other yajnas which are described in Vedas. They are karma siddha. If you do karma, then you will do all those yajnas, and all those yajnas result will be Brahma Sthiti. So karma ultimately gives Brahma Sukham. If you understand that, and out of these 12 yajnas, one if you practice thoroughly, ये तुलेनि कर्म बंधु स्वभावे पावेलना, you won't be, you know, uh, you won't be caught up by karma. You won't be. Karma bandhu na pavel. This karma phala won't disturb you if you do proper yajnas. श्रे श्रेयान् द्रव्यमयाद्यज्ञात् ज्ञानयज्ञः परन्तप सर्वं कर्माखिलं पार्थ ज्ञाने परिसमाप्यते. श्रेयान् द्रव्यमयाद्यज्ञात् ज्ञानयज्ञः परन्तप सर्वं कर्माखिलं पार्थ ज्ञाने परिसमाप्यते. श्रेयान् द्रव्यमयात् यज्ञात् ज्ञानयज्ञः परन्तप सर्वं कर्म अखिलं पार्थ ज्ञाने परिसमाप्यते. हे परंतप, one who gives tapa to shatru, paran shatrun tapayati iti parantapa. Dravyamayahat yajnat jnana yajnah shreyan. So the sacrifices which you do with the help of some or the other material, that is not superior. Jnana yajnah shreyan. So yajna, sacrifice which you do with the help of knowledge, for knowledge, that is more superior than yajnas which you do with the help of few material. That doesn't mean yajna which is done with the help of material, they are inferior. They are also superior. But when you compare dravya yajna and jnana yajna is bit heavier, higher than dravya yajna. Why? He Partha, O son of Prithu, Sarvam Akhilam Karma Jnane Parisamapyate. Why Jnana Yajna is superior? It is explained here. All karma will end up or will dissolve in knowledge, in Brahma Swarupa. You do 100 yajnas, that karma will give rise to new karma. Whereas if you do one jnana yajna, all karmas will be burned. That's how this jnana yajna is. अर्जुना वेदो जयाचे मूळ, जे क्रिया विशेषे स्थूळ, जया नवाडियेचे फळ स्वर्ग सुख. अर्जुना वेदो जयाचे मूळ, जे क्रिया विशेषे स्थूळ, जया नवाडियेचे फळ स्वर्ग सुख. So there are so many yajnas in Vedas. They ask you to perform so many actions. If one action is done, you go for this. Then second, there is the list of action and the process. After A1, action 1 is done, you should go for action 2. And what is the root of this? Jayache Mula Vedu. Vedas are the root of that. And Kriya Visheshe Sthula they have asked you to do so many actions. And what is the result of that? Jaya navadiyeche fal swarga sukha. Swarga is the result of that. ते द्रव्यादी यागू कीर होती परी ज्ञान यज्ञाची सरी न पावती जैशी तारा तेज संपत्ती दिनकरा पाशी ते द्रव्यादी यागू कीर होती परी ज्ञान यज्ञाची सरी न पावती जैशी तारा तेज संपत्ती दिनकरा पाशी. So yajnas which will take you to Swarga. If you do 100 Swarga Kameshti Yajna, then that will take you to Swarga with the material. So there is Jnana Yajna which will surpass everything and which will give you moksha. So Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, Jnana Yajnachi Sarina Pavati. Where is Jnana Yajna and where is this Dravya Yajna? It is just like Dinakara Pashi Tara Teja Sampatti. Just like sun is there like Jnana Yajna and all these stars and planets are there like Dravya Yajna. So when sun comes, they disappear in front of him. They are there, but they disappear. देखे परमात्म सुख निधान साधावया योगी जन जेन विसंबिति अंजन उन्मेष नेत्री. देखे परमात्म सुख निधान साधावया योगी जन जेन विसंबिति अंजन उन्मेष नेत्री. So he's talking about that Atma Swarupa now, that Jnana Yajna now. What is that? Sukha Nidhana, treasure of supreme joy. Paramatma Sukha Nidhana, Sadhavaya Yogijana, seekers. Sadhavaya, to attain that supreme joy, treasure of supreme joy. Jena Visambiti Anjana Unmesha Netri. They don't wait to apply this Anjana in the Netra. Means what? That Anjana, if you apply, then you will have clear sight. Like that, Unmesha Netri. So, this knowledge is the Anjana. Hmm. So, this understanding, this knowledge, they don't wait for that because knowledge is going to give them Paramatma Sukha Nidhana, Sukha, ultimate joy it will give. And yogi people, striving people, they don't wait, they don't hesitate to apply this Jnananjana in their netra. Means they don't hesitate to understand everything. J, now what is that? Jnana Sthiti. Jnana. जे धावतया कर्माची लाणी नैष्कर्म्य बोधाची खाणी जे भुकेलिया धनी साधनाची जे धावतया कर्माची लाणी नैष्कर्म्य बोधाची खाणी जे भुकेलिया धनी साधनाची. धावतया कर्माची लाणी. This jnana swarupa or this knowledge is such that where all karma will end in this. Naishkarmya bodhachi khani. Naishkarmya bodha. So, what is Naishkarmya? That understanding will be there in plenty when you go for Jnana Yajna, when you understand your Swarupa. जे भुकेलिया धनी साधनाची. So person who is always trying to get happiness, who is always hungry, that person's hunger will be satiated once he understand Atma Swarupa. This is how Atma Swarupa. What happens there? जेत प्रवृत्ती पांगुळ जाहली तर्काची दिठी गेली जेणे इंद्रिय विसरली विषय संगू. जेथ प्रवृत्ती पांगुळ जाहली तर्काची दिठी गेली जेणे इंद्रिये विसरली विषय संगू. In that state of consciousness, in that state of understanding, प्रवृत्ते पांगुळ जाहली. Thought doesn't come, or wrong thought about self doesn't come. तर्काची दिठी गेली. No more reasoning. I took support of reasoning to reach out till Atmaswarupa. Once I reach there, Tarkachi Ditigil, I don't need Tarka now. It is Swatas Siddha. I know I am. I know that I know things. I am conscious. Aham Chit. Aham Sat. That I know. Jene Indriye Visarali. And because of that, now I am happy, content within. So I don't want objects to become happy. विषय संगो इंद्रिये विसरली. Indriye, my sense organ forgot all the sense objects. मनाचे मनपन गेले, जेथ बोलाचे बोलपन ठेले, जया माझी सापडले ज्ञेय दिसे. मनाचे मनपन गेले, जेथ बोलाचे बोलपन ठेले, जया माझी सापडले ज्ञेय दिसे. मनाचे मनपन गेले, ती संकल्प विकल्प, always this or that. I should do this or that. I should learn this or that. This vikalpa, this doubt or the confusion or or the confusion has gone now. मनाचे मनपन गेले, जेथ बोलाचे बोलपन ठेले. And I don't need to talk anything about now because there is nothing to talk. This is ultimate state, Bhagavan is explaining here. And Jaya Maji Sapadale Jneya Dise. In this state, Jneya Sapadale, what is to be known, that you have grabbed, that you have understood. Then, जेथ वैराग्याचा पांगू फिटे, विवेकाचाही सोसू तुटे. जेथ न पाहता सहज भेटे आपण पे. जेथ वैराग्याचा पांगू फिटे, विवेकाचाही सोसू तुटे. जेथ न पाहता सहज भेटे आपण पे. जेथ, in that state, now I don't need vairagya. I am established in my nature. वैराग्याचा पांगु फिटे, vairagya is fulfilled. Vivekachahi sosu tute, and this discrimination is satisfied now. Viveka also I don't need now because there are no two things to do Viveka. Jetana pahata sahaje bhete apanape. Jet, in that state, if I don't want to understand myself, if I don't want to see myself, then also effortlessly apanape sahaja bhete, I meet myself effortlessly because I am everywhere. I am in everywhere. Everything is in me. That understanding is there now. And that understanding, where will I get? Naneshwar Maharaj is going to explain in next few shlokas. राहो आता हेची ध्यान, डोळा मन लंपट. कोंड कोंडू धरी न जीवे, कोंड कोंडू धरी न जीवे. देह भावे पूजिना, देह भावे पूजिना. कोंड कोंडू धरी न जीवे, कोंड कोंडू धरी न जीवे. होईल येणे कळसा आले, होईल येणे कळसा आले. स्थिरावले अंतरी, स्थिरावले अंतरी. स्थिरावले अंतरी कोंड कोंडू धरी न जीवे कोंड कोंडू धरी न जीवे हम्म. हम्म. तुका तुका म्हणे गोजरिया तुका म्हणे गोजरिया विठोबा पाया पडू द्या विठोबा पाया पडू द्या कोंड कोंडोनी धरीन जीवे कोंड कोंडोनी धरीन जीवे देह भावे पूजीन देह भावे पूजीन कोंड कोंडू धरीन जीवे हे कोंड कोंडुनी धरीन जीवे ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 देव तुकाराम ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम 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 पुंडलीक वरदा हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति शांति शांतिः हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम